Hey gents, this is Javi with LoanForThought. Today we're going to be reviewing the Premium Gentleman's Box. The Premium Gentleman's Box, as you guys know, is a quarterly subscription box by Gentleman's Box. No pun intended. But the Premium Gentleman's Box is a quarterly box that you pay $100, and the theory is, as opposed to their $25 monthly box, you get a lot more value out of it. This is my second month with the Premium Box. So far it's been great. If you guys want to take a look at their subscriptions, and they do everything from ties to their monthly boxes and obviously their premium boxes, I'll put a link down below. But today we're going to look at, we're going to open one up, review, and take a look at what's inside. So let's take a look. And if you guys have any questions, or if you think this is not a great value or anything like that, or if you think they're great, leave a comment below. Let's keep it interactive.
Alright gents, as I mentioned, this is my third premium box. If you want to check them out, I will have a link down below. This is a much flatter box than last quarter's box, so I'm really interested to see what this quarter will bring. What I like about these subscription boxes is that it exposes you to things that either 1, you never had, 2, can add to your wardrobe, or 3, expand your horizons to experiment with things you never normally would. The theme of this quarter is the formal edition. The first thing that I see is Articulate, a travel tie case. Each gentleman's box comes with details on the product and background on the manufacturer. This box is perfect considering that I'm actually going to a wedding in March. I'm sure I will be able to use some of the items. Alright, so now let's take a look at some of the things inside the box. I'm actually not sure what this is, but I'll save that for later. And the next item we have here is a watch read. I'm interested to see if this is a chronograph, automatic, or some sort of mechanical. And then we have the Working Stiffs nail kit. Very cool. This could be helpful on the road. And finally we have Barnaby dress socks.
Hey guys, so as I mentioned, this is the Barnaby socks that came along with it, and these are really nice, as you can see. And they have these cool buttons so you actually never lose them, which I don't know about you guys, but I always seem to be losing socks. And the pairs, I have loads of mismatches, but these are pretty cool. Definitely formal wear. Next thing is the travel tie case. This is ideal for folks like myself who are always on the road at least 2 times a month, or even if you travel from time to time. This will be very helpful. So I'm excited to see what this looks like. Put this here. Very nice, sturdy, firm. So, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's pretty cool. You could fit 2 to 4 ties in here comfortably, and that could actually be pretty great. So, not bad at all. Articulate is the brand. And here we have a nice black tie with polka dots. Its company is called Ocean Boulevard, and it feels amazing. Very formal, but I do like the touch where you could add a little class with the white polka dots. So I do like this. Also, it's 100% silk, and feels very sturdy. I don't know if you can see that. The construction actually is pretty good, and I could see the stitching here. It just feels like a pretty good tie, actually. I'm actually gonna probably wear this tomorrow. Then we have a watch from Breed. It is a quartz watch, but as you can see, it has the date on there, and it is a chronograph as well. Pretty awesome. It's genuine leather, black strap. Obviously, it goes along with the theme of the box this quarter, which is the formal man. And then this seems to come with a warranty from Breed. Came in this cool box here, made in China. Pretty cool. But this is a great formal watch. I do see myself wearing it. So that's my watch here. Now, I do have a thicker palm and hand than most folks. So, yeah, looks pretty good. The next thing we have here is the working stiff. This, in fact, is a travel groom set, which seems to be pretty set. So this seems to be eyeglass repair / watch repair, tweezers, got your filers, as well as, what is this? This is very interesting here. So you got a multi-tool here. This seems to be pretty cool. Little knife, get underneath the nails, all that. Multi-tool. That is cool. Big nail, nail scraper, little comb, and then even this, so a little lint roller. So if you got something, you just kind of clean that up. But overall, this is a great travel kit, especially for folks, as I mentioned, that are on the road at least once a month or something like that. I would definitely recommend something like this. I've seen some of these that get pretty pricey. So, and this is a very classy leather case that all this can be compacted together, so I do recommend it. The booklet that comes along with it, and they provide some pictures that show you what comes inside the box, as well as some of this manufacturers that are provided. Obviously, here's the tie with this guy, and it's really helpful to just see what it would be matched up with. It's at the very least, what these subscription boxes do is expose you to different styles so you can feel comfortable within that, as opposed to just seeing stuff on Instagram. You could actually experience it yourself. Like I said, that tie case is money. I really do like that, and it is something that's unique that I would actually pay for. So to give some backstory on the companies themselves, on the watches, and it tells you exactly how much these would be. So this watch itself is $150, so that in itself is worth more than anything than the box itself, so you're saving a great amount there. The tie is $65. The socks themselves, which by the way were very soft, $25. Little helpful things to go along with it. So, but that's it, folks. So as I mentioned, gentleman's box. It's a great box. I really like this quarters box. It's very formal, right up my alley. Especially, and as I mentioned, especially if you're one of those folks that actually do some sort of travel at least once a month, or even quarterly for that matter. I'm actually on the road twice a month, and having travel kits is huge for me. So, grooming kit as well as the tie case, money. I'm huge into leather. I like it a lot. So overall, do I think that the $100 value is there? Absolutely. So if you guys are interested in the box, see the link below. But I'm Javi with LoanForThought, and I'll catch you guys next video. Thanks. Bye.